Have you ever walked into a home and immediately felt calm? Not because it was the biggest house you've ever seen, but because every single detail seemed to solve a problem you didn't even realize you had. Today on Elite Home Tours, we're stepping inside a remarkable residence that proves true luxury isn't about showing off. It's about making life feel effortless. At first glance, the design appears simple. Clean lines, warm textures, natural light pouring through oversized windows. But look closer, and you'll discover that every choice inside this home serves a purpose. Because the most beautiful homes aren't just designed to impress guests. They're designed to improve the way we live. Take this living room. Instead of overwhelming the space with unnecessary decoration, the layout encourages something many modern homes have quietly lost. Connection. The seating faces inward. The fireplace becomes a natural gathering point. Conversations happen more easily. Family members spend more time together. Even the flow of movement feels intentional. Luxury, in this case, isn't excess. It's comfort with purpose. Notice how sunlight moves across the room. Those large windows aren't only beautiful, they reduce dependence on artificial lighting throughout the day. Natural light has been linked to improved mood, better focus, and healthier sleep patterns. In other words, good design doesn't just change how a home looks, it changes how people feel inside it. Another challenge many homeowners face is clutter. Too much furniture, too many distractions, too many things competing for attention. This home approaches the problem differently. Every piece earns its place. The result is a space that feels larger, calmer, and easier to maintain. It's a reminder that sophistication often comes from knowing what to leave out, not what to add. As we move through the home, you'll notice a balance that's surprisingly difficult to achieve. Modern without feeling cold, minimal without sacrificing warmth, elegant without becoming untouchable. It's this balance that transforms a beautiful house into a place people genuinely want to come home to every day. And perhaps that's the greatest lesson hidden within homes like this. Luxury isn't measured by square footage. It's measured by experience. Can a space help you slow down after a stressful day? Can it encourage meaningful moments with the people you love? Can it simplify everyday routines instead of complicating them? If the answer is yes, that's real luxury. As the final sunlight settles across these carefully designed interiors, one thing becomes clear. Timeless homes aren't built around trends. Trends come and go, but thoughtful design, comfort, and human connection never go out of style. That's why decades later, spaces like this continue to inspire architects, designers, and homeowners around the world. If this home gave you ideas for your own dream space, let us know what features stood out to you most. And don't forget to subscribe to Elite Home Tours, because your next favorite home might be just one tour away.